Hey Divine One, welcome to today's Inner Child Oracle card reading. Today I'm introducing you to card number 29, Luna, Crafts and Creativity. So take a big deep breath and listen to what Luna's message is. Hey, I'm Luna. When you walk into my room, it might seem like a mess, but I know where everything is. I have a million different projects going because I get great ideas out of the blue. Sometimes even while I'm in the middle of one. It seems chaotic, but in my own way and time, it makes sense. And I do have control. It's just, it doesn't look the way anyone else says it should. But you know what? Neither do I. I refuse to give in to the capitalistic notion of success. I am my own masterpiece. When Luna comes to visit, your inner child wants to be understood. They need permission to do life their way. Not everyone learns the same. Not everyone creates the same. And success definitely shouldn't look the same for every person. So why are you trying so hard to make it work for you the way it works for another? This is a reminder that you are a supernova. You are a unique and powerful creation all of your own. The way of the world simply won't work for you. So stop trying. There is a way to show up, to create, to organize, and to live the life that will work perfectly for you. Can you give yourself permission to find it? When Luna shows up, it's important to remember that life is whatever you create it to be. Color in between the lines or don't. Whatever you choose is perfect and right for you. And remember, that applies to everyone else too. If reversed, you may be trying to get someone in your life to do things your way. Take a step back and trust that their way is best for them. Your mantra, I know how to do things the best way for me. Remedies, number 1, look at the things in life that you just can't seem to keep up with or wrap your head around. Find your own way to do it. Number 2, start exploring different ways of doing things that feel more in alignment with the way you learn and behave. Number 3, practice telling others how you learn and what you need if you start to feel you are being pushed into a mold. Journaling questions. Number 1, I learn best when. Number 2, some ideas I have that are different than the ways of the world are. And number 3, one memory I have of being taught or asked to learn or act in a way that felt confusing or hard for me was. I hope you enjoyed getting to know Luna today. She's such a beautiful inner child. Let me know if she resonates. And as always, breathe deep and plan on miracles.